Okay guys, so today we got an unboxing, we got a review of the Night Owl Sound collection, plus something from OVO as well. As you guys may know, I have a few Night Owl Sound shirts myself. We got this one right here, and we have the Caravana shirt from last year. So I'm super excited to actually get this one in hand. I'm gonna let you guys know the sizing, the fit, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let me sit down and let's get straight into it. Man, I wonder what they're gonna say about my beard. Like, they're gonna wonder where it went and all that. Hopefully the Night Owl Sound makes up for my missing beard. Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another unboxing. Today we have the third Night Owl Sound release of the year. We got the t-shirt in this package right here, and we also do have a little something from OVO. Nothing too crazy, but you gotta wait to the end to see what's in here. But enough of the long talk, let's get straight into this Night Owl Sound. So like I was saying earlier, I ordered this on Thursday and it came on Monday. Super fast shipping from Night Owl Sound. Again, they are in Toronto, I'm in Toronto, so again, the shipping should be fast either way. Shipping was $15 though, a little bit more on the pricier side. I'm just gonna show you quickly, Night Owl Sound Dusk t-shirt in this size small. Retail was $45. So I'm gonna put that just to the side over here. And man, was it a struggle to get this t-shirt on release day. As you guys know, small isn't really my size. I should be a medium in these t-shirts. But this is all I could get. Either way, here it is guys, in all of its glory, the Night Owl Sound t-shirt. This sold out in a whopping, I wanna say 30 seconds guys. 30 seconds. I had a large, medium, and small all in my cart. For my boys, I was copying for them as well because we're gonna split order. And then next thing you know, I only came away with a small. So kind of unfortunate, but here it is nonetheless. So I'm gonna carefully cut open the top of this bag and see what the quality is all about. All right, so sliding the shirt on out. Again, this is the same t-shirt they've been using on all of their other t-shirts. It is 100% cotton. Here's the tag, small, there you guys can see with the Night Owl Sound logo. Here it is, the Dusk t-shirt guys. Let me know what you guys think of this logo and if you were able to get one yourself. I know a lot of people took L's. My comment section was going crazy. So here it is guys, the screen print quality is on 10. And the back, the main reason why everybody wants this t-shirt is this back. Super clean with the two-bird logo in that dusk. Very clean, very simple. I really wish they did put it on the actual OVO shirts. That'd be much better, but I'm sure that will come in the future. Nonetheless though, Night Owl Sound with the moon on the top. Super hard logo, so shout out to Mark, shout out to Noel. They kill it every time. The Valentine's Day drop, all the stuff from their parties and releases. Awesome merch there. And I even want to talk about their sets because that's the reason why they are Night Owl Sound. That's why they are what they are. The live streams from quarantine, those moments we will remember forever. So just quickly want to shout out OVO Mark, shout out to OVO Noel. Those live streams were definitely will go down in history. They even put the clips of the live stream on the end of Desire, so that's legendary. So shout out to Night Owl Sound, holding it down all quarantine. No cap. I think it's fire. Definitely want to add to the collection. Now this is a size small. They do fit one size big, but I'm definitely glad to have this collection, or maybe I could trade it with someone who has a medium or a large that would be down to trade. I am down as well. I think my boy actually wants to trade with me, so we'll see about that. Anyways, that's the Night Owl Sound t-shirt. $45, definitely worth it. A good cop in my opinion. Definitely a great piece to add to your collection, but we aren't done yet. Let's get to that OVO unboxing. All right guys, so next up we got a brown box from Welcome OVO. This piece has been sitting on their website for quite a while now. Let me know if you guys have any guesses of what it could be. So far, as you can see, we got owls on the box. That's how you know. That is how you know. Oh, we got a receipt. Let's take a little look at this receipt right there. Little notebook action. Two of these bad boys. These are not for me, so your boy ain't have to pay for these, but they're for my friend. You know who you are. These are for you, my G. As you can see, we got the nice owl on the front. October's variant on the back, perfect for back to school. So if you haven't picked one of these up, they're on the OVO website, Canadian site only, I think, not on the US site. So back to school, get yourself a notebook. I know shit's probably gonna be online, but either way, grab yourself a notebook. Super dope to have. Once these sell out, I'm sure you're gonna regret them. Future piece that could be worth a lot of money, if you ask me. But again, here they are. They're Moleskine collab, $40 a piece, size large. The XL is a little bit bigger, so keep that in mind if you're interested in one of these notebooks. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys did really enjoy. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for always showing love on the channel. I'm really trying to grow it, so liking, commenting does help a ton. I respond to all your comments, so if any questions, comment below. I'm gonna respond. Shout out to the team, shout out to the crew for always holding down, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.